When last we left the ridge, we had just gotten the rock Gabion cages complete. Check the link in the description below for that video. Today, we're finally going to go ahead and install the new gates. As a reminder, here's the gating system that I've been using over the last several years that I've owned this property. Basically, it's just a bunch of old skids that I stack up in kind of a pyramid structure across the roadway here. It's worked for a long time, but it's a hassle to deal with. So I bought these two gates for $69.99 each, loaded them up in the trailer, and brought them on down here. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you this entire process step by step because I'm working by myself, but I'll show you as much as I can. Here's the way I hung the first gate. I went ahead and just measured my distance off the ground and kind of lined up the brackets where I wanted them. As you can see, just kind of drilled holes right into those posts that I showed you in the other video, and they're holding everything perfectly. I'm real happy with the way that those Gabion cages are working. That side's up, nice and painless. Let's go ahead and start working on the other side. The second gate went up just as simply as the first one. Note that the top bracket there, or top little post, is upside down or inverted. It helps to support the gate better that way and prevents somebody from actually lifting the gate off those little pins. But other than that, everything looks really good and turned out really nice. No, the gates aren't perfectly level, but neither is the ground, so I gotta work with what I've got here. Overall, I'm extremely satisfied with how easy these gates were to install and how nice they make the entrance to this part of the property look. Additionally, I was really happy that I was able to use that existing cable that I had across the drive here and weave it through the gate. It adds a little bit more level of security to the gate, and I'm just happy I was able to use it the way that I had planned from the get-go without actually even having the gates purchased. Really happy with that. That's it, we're done. Using these freestanding Gabion cages made it so easy to hang these gates that I might actually make some more for other access points across this property. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and see what we're up to throughout the week between videos, and this is where I say, maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.